Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be doing a new nail polish that makes me happy whenever I wear them, summer 2024 edition. Usually I go for 10 polishes, but since I have a 7-month-old baby here, it's kinda hard to actually sit down and record and pretty much do 10 different colors at once. I have to say, even like recording the footage for this video, I had to do it in like 6 takes because I just kept being interrupted by a baby who needed me. And of course my boy Aeon, he's #1 priority in life, period. So yeah, I think it took me like 4 hours to record this video, which is crazy. I usually record my videos within like 15 to 20 minutes because I can do it in one go, but you know, oh well, stuff happens. I'm actually recording this voiceover late at night. He's already in bed, sleeping, fed, diaper changed, just a clean, fresh baby, just knockout because he was super tired after playing all day long. But yeah, in this like nail polish that made me happy, like video I have to say, or series, I actually pick a couple of colors from my own nail polish collection, which contain about 3,000 polishes, and I just choose a few which I really like to wear, especially for this video for this summer season. So this first one already is one by H&M. This one is from the ASAP quick dry polish collection. This one is called Big Night Out. It is super holographic, super sparkly. There is like a little finely milled shimmer in here as well, which makes it super unique, super pretty, and it gives a little bit of like a pinkish kind of touch. Or at least that's how I felt what it looked like. I am doing both of my hands because recording my videos actually is a way for me to have a fresh new manicure for the week. So yeah, that's why I'm actually painting 2 nails with 1 color. But of course I'm doing the first coats of every single color I am swatching today, and a little later in the second half of this video I will be applying the second coat. But yeah, this next one is one by Orly. It's called Serves You Right. It is a very sheer, kind of like pearlescent glowy polish, really beautiful. It's kind of one of those like bluish tealish kind of colors, really pretty. Usually I'm not a big fan of sheer polishes, but this one was actually pretty decent after the second coat as well, but you will see that in a hot minute. And once again, I'm sorry guys if I'm like out of focus every now and then, especially when I paint my dominant hand. I'm just out of my schwung when it comes to painting my non-dominant hand and recording. I just can't seem to focus like myself on anything else than just painting my nails on my dominant hand. So sorry about that. I really have to do that more often, so I will get back into that sweet spot, my schwung, you know? Next one is one by Trend. This is actually a Dutch brand, so for all my fellow Dutchies out there, hi. I really like this polish, and also the collection it came in and the brand itself. It's just really nice. This is actually quite similar to the Orly polish, but it is a beautiful like purplish color with a blue sheen in there, like a blue glow. Really gorgeous. And once again, the first coat is still a little sheer, but I tend to say don't judge a polish by its first coat, because usually a second or even a third will make it more opaque, more bright, more vibrant, anything like that. And of course I will show you that in a hot minute as well, but just look at the glow of this polish. It is gorgeous. If you are into purples, if you are into sheer, like shimmery, almost like pearlescent kind of polishes, definitely check the Trend one out. Then next up, of course, I couldn't just skip on the pinks when it comes to nail polishes that make me happy, because pink is my favorite color to wear on my nails. This one is by Cupcake Polish. I only have like 4 polishes from this brand because they're a little hard to get by, and if I can get them, they are a little bit more like expensive, like price wise they are a little bit more than your regular drugstore like price. I'd say they're not like super high-end price. They're not like 25 euros a bottle, but I think I got these for like 15 or 16 maybe. I don't know. I have to look into it because it's been a hot minute that I actually bought this polish, but it is a stunner. This one is called Gamma or Gamma. I don't know how you pronounce this in English. I think it's Gamma. But it's so stunning. Once again, it's kind of like a jelly kind of polish. It is super bright, super neon. This just screams Barbie to me, especially with the flakies and the shimmer and the like finely milled glitter in here, which kind of have like a bluish purple kind of sheen. Oh, it is so gorgeous. I love it. If you are into jelly polishes with flakies, that one is the one to go, as well as this next one, and actually 5th color already, or at least for the first coat. This one is by KB Shimmer. It is called Easy Glowing. I can't remember if I bought this one myself or if I got this one sent out to me by hypnoticpolish.com. I actually worked with them a couple of times, like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. It's been a hot minute, but I still really love KB Shimmer, and I actually got to know the brand through hypnoticpolish.com. So if you are in Europe and you have trouble getting really beautiful indie brands polishes, definitely check out their web store. I'm not paid or anything to share that information. I just genuinely really love their web store, and they actually ship in Europe as well, and the prices are pretty decent too. But Easy Glowing is a super neon yellow, like a highlighter yellow kind of color with beautiful flakies in there. Really gorgeous. Once again, a little bit on the sheer jelly side, but not too bad if you ask me. But let's just start with the second coat already, and my mind was blown seeing this H&M polish this opaque within the second coat. I do have to mention that because like time-wise and stuff like that, and a baby that needed me, I didn't record adding a top coat, so I actually pretty much just didn't apply a top coat at all. But these polishes, a lot of them actually dry like kind of satiny, semi-matte. The holographic H&M one that I just applied the second layer of, it dries kind of matte, not super matte, but I think if I would apply a top coat, the glitter and shimmer would really pop like to the gods, to the stars, to the universe. It's really gorgeous. But the second coat of the Orly one, you can see the end result right here. I actually was really excited to see how opaque it still got within that second coat. I didn't expect that at all. I did pretty much use these polishes like when I got them, and then I kind of forgot about them because, you know, as a swatcher, a nail polish addict, hoarder, enthusiast, I go through a lot of different polishes, usually a week. Now I don't record as much as I used to do, like 3 videos a week. I used to do that. I don't have time for that anymore. I just had so many new polishes every week in my hands that sometimes you forget what you have in your collection. So it's really fun for me to just shop in my own stash to see what I got and to just reinvent or rediscover some polishes. So yeah, sometimes I really don't know how these turned out, because it's just been a really long time that I used them. But yeah, that is just a little side rant. So I definitely have used these polishes before, maybe even in nail art designs or anything like that. Of course, in previous swatch videos, review videos, but sometimes you just can't remember how they perform, you know? But here I'm already applying the second coat of the cupcake polish one. It is just so gorgeous. Doesn't it scream Barbie? It's so stunning. I love it. I love it so much. I really need to do more videos like this because it really forces me to go through my own collection and to just use older polishes once again, because I do store them in a dry, cool, dark area. They're all neatly stacked away in my IKEA Helmer cabinets, in one of the coolest rooms that I have in my house, so that is a big plus. So they do stay usable for like over a decade. I have polishes that are like over a decade, almost 2 decades old, and they're still good to use. The only thing is you do have to shake them up every now and then. That's just a little tip I want to share, because if you don't, the polishes may shift and it's just a little bit of a hassle if you want to use them again. So yeah. But I'm just rambling on how pretty these polishes are, how I store my stuff, and so on. But I have already applied a second coat of this fifth and final color, which is by KB Shimmer. Once again, it really leveled out nicely, even though there are flakies in there, and it's actually quite opaque within that second coat, which is great for a neon and kind of like a jelly polish. So yeah, definitely let me know which one of these 5 shades is your favorite. I just chose these 5 because they're all kind of jelly, shimmery, flaky, glittery, you know. I just love my shimmery, glittery, flaky polishes, and they're all quite like neon and in your face as well. But let me know what you think about these colors, and of course, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.